And you're going to be a nice big sister. Yes, you are.
No. Can you show me your booty?
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it.
Dad, kill now! Kill his nut!
Are you hungry?
Oh, you're adopted.
Tres.
Hey, get down. Get down.
Empty.
Ay, ay, ay!
Oh my god!
Gary!
Krijgde. Annem?
Holy
Under arrest. Better run. You like that shit? Yeah, you do. Oh, shit.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Potato.
Ice, ice, baby.
Banana.
Comet, I love you.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil.
This is Howl, and we're going to test to see if we can survive a quiet place.
Make it good.
Oh my god. Stop. Stop it. Oh.
What am I gonna do? I'll tell you.
Funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry.
Being abandoned.
Hi.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
He's in great condition.
Oh, baby, come on.
What happened?
Lay it down.
Wee. Wee.
The freaking.
Princess!
Hey!
Spicy.
Stop, you're scaring me.
Mom!
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
Mimi!
Thor. What?
Alright, bro. My boy.
What's going on, man? Oh my gosh.
He could do it if he tried. Come here.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
What do you want? That was a good one.
They heard the can open.
It's gonna make it. How's 2022? Oh, what? Oh, okay. Oh, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you.